pinaka-tinatreasure kong moment with you is parang para sa akin, isa ako sa mga pinagkakatiwalaan mo, and thank you for that.
So are you happy now? Finally happy now, yeah.
Hi Gian! Happy birthday! Wish all the best. Love you!
잃어버린 것 같아. 모든 게 넌대로 왔다가 인사도 없이 떠나.
You have a long journey ahead of you, and don't forget that there will be people that will always support and love you. Don't let anyone take your beautiful smile. Happy birthday ulit!
From STEM 211.
Sana maging masaya ka, mag-aral kang mabuti. Alam mo kung gaano kita kamahal. Alam mong buhay kita.
Under these sheets, I got your hand in mine. You're closing both your eyes, and I'm just dreaming. Beach house on the west coast. I see us standing there at the edge of the water's bend, just breathing our own air. Life can get crazy.
Sana since 18 ka na, sana medyo makinig ka sa ate mo. Tapos, you make good decisions. I'm very proud of you. Happy birthday, Gian. Welcome to Adulthood with a Girl. I am very proud of who you become as a person.
Yeah, you make my world feel like a better place.
Know that I am grateful that you became a part of my senior high journey, and you're one of those people that made it bearable. Nandito lang ako lagi for you if you need ng mga kausap. Stay kind and pretty. Happy legality.
Last time I saw you were a cute little girl. Now you're a beautiful young lady.
You keep me above, me above, me above. Now take a look at me. Oh yeah, I'm so in love, so in love.
No matter what happened, I'm always here for you. Just enjoy your day. I love you.
Life can get crazy, and most times it's hazy, and sometimes I just wanna run away, run away. You make it worth it, just staying here with you. Yeah, you make my world feel like a better place. Yeah, you make my world feel like a better place. Yeah, you make my world feel like a better place. Oh, you make my world feel like a better place.
You're the most incredible person, and your strength and resilience and unwavering kindness is something that inspires everyone around you. Love you, Ate Gian.
Summer went away, still the yearning stays. I play it cool with the best of them. I wait patiently, he's gonna notice me. It's okay, we're the best of friends.
I am excited to what the future holds for you. May all your wishes and dreams come true. Happy 18th birthday, anak. I love you very
My
much.
phone as it fits your face. I didn't choose this town. I dream of getting out. There's just one who could make me stay. All my days, from sprinkler splashes to fireplace ashes, I waited ages to see you there. I searched the party of better bodies just to learn that you never cared. You're on your own, kid.
Of course, ang ating beautiful debutant for this
I see the
afternoon,
great escape.
Miss
So long, Daisy
Gian
May. I
Carla.
picked the petals, he loves me not. Something different bloomed always have been.
Today marks the start of a new and exciting chapter in your life. May this gift help you in achieving your dreams. May you always chase your dreams, embrace every moment, and shine as brightly as you do tonight. Wishing you endless happiness, love, and success. Cheers to you and your beautiful journey.
Fireplace ashes, I gave my blood, sweat and tears for this. I hope
Anak, lagi mo lang tatandaan, una sa lahat ay laging ang nasa itaas. Ang wish ko lang na makatapos ka sa iyong pag-aaral at sure naman na lahat kami ay magiging proud sa iyo. I love you, anak. I love you. Happy birthday.
around in a blood-soaked gown and I saw something.
Alam mong hindi kita pababayaan. Alam mong gagawin ko ang lahat para sa'yo.
Make the friendship bracelets, take the moment and taste it. You got no